I heard y'all needed help with y'all C parts and edges. Now pay attention. First things first, you are going to need a specific type of frontal. That 13x4x2 frontal is not going to cut it. I promise you that one. Now that we got the pleasantries out the way, while your lace is melting, you're going to start by putting a curve in your part. It's okay if that first time doesn't come out right because you're going to clean it up on the second go around like I did. Think of a C, the letter C. You're going to go around. Once you get your part how you like it, take some hair from the back of your frontal and cover up your tracks in the back. You're going to grab your hot comb and push that hair where you want it to go. Remember that the heat is from the back of the hot comb, not the teeth. Push that hair over. Once you take your lace band off, this is what your base is going to look like. Take your metal tip comb and make a straight line following your part. Once you've got that section, then you're going to go straight down and make a triangle. We want to keep everything neat, so once you have that down, comb everything back that you don't need. Take your hot comb and press that down. Like I said, the heat is in the back, so you're going to rotate your wrist. Clean up your part and just make sure any hair that doesn't belong goes where it needs to go. Now this is where your dynamic duo comes in handy. Wax stick, hot comb, press into place. Now when it comes to my sideburn, I kind of just make a straight line. Once I got my hair how I want it, I use my hot comb and press my baby hair from my sideburn down. Now once you have your baby hair parted out, you're going to push the hair back with your wax stick and some hairspray and hold your ear and push that hair to the back. You don't want no excess hair in the way. I like my baby hair going to a C-shaped motion, so I curl under. Now we don't want no bulky baby hair, so you're going to pluck. You're going to use the pluck skip motion. See, I slowed it down for you. The same thing like my plucking tutorial, and move out any excess hair. And when I'm cutting my baby hair, I cut in a jagged motion at an angle. I use the same products to mow my baby hair. Black Got to Be gel, and I use my Suave mousse. Gel at the root, mousse at the ends. Once you get your product on, I like to use the comb edge of my baby hair brush, and I use my finger and follow behind when I swoop. Swoop, finger, swoop, finger. Keep it real simple. And you want to comb the end of the edges into the rest of the hair so it blends, because you don't want it to look like it's two different hairstyles going on. Swoop your edges into your hair. I like using the comb edge because it kind of gives like a space. When you use the brush, it kind of clumps everything together. So I prefer to use the comb edge. It's all repetition at this point. The most important thing about getting that circle is laying your top part of your edges flat. And then when you get to the bottom part, you're going to take your finger and you're going to wrap it around. This is why I like using the mousse, because it doesn't get too messy, and any excess hair, just push it to the back. Now just clean up your part with concealer and black spray if you need it, and boom. Don't ever say I didn't teach you anything.